Samsung's latest flagship watches bring changes big and small. The biggest change, however, is that the series now includes a truly premium model, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Building on the success of the Galaxy Watch 4, both the Galaxy Watch 5 base and Pro models exhibit incremental improvements and a lot of shared specs. Yet, whether it's the stronger sapphire glass and titanium build, much larger battery exclusive tracking feature, or the fancier buckle, the Pro model packs plenty extra to set itself apart from its predecessors and its non-Pro sibling. The cost, a higher price, and the ditching a fan favorite that might disappoint you. In short, there's a lot to chew on before loading one into your shopping cart. Find out more in our Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro review. The Galaxy Watch 5 series is the newest iteration of Samsung's smartwatch family to hit shelves and comes in 2 unique versions and 6 different configurations. The base model Galaxy Watch 5 dons a similar aesthetic to 2021's sporty vanilla model, and the all-new Pro, which replaces the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, offers an upgraded and more durable option for taking out on the trail. Both are compatible with most modern Android phones, though the full feature set is saved exclusively for Galaxy smartphone users. Still running Samsung's One UI over the Google or Samsung Group project that is Wear OS 3, these watches may feel familiar if you have used, held, or even merely cast an eye over the Galaxy Watch 4 series. Both Galaxy Watch 5 devices feature built-in GPS and Bluetooth, with LTE models available in every size. According to Samsung, all models also house a newly upgraded sensor package. Plus, in addition to electrocardiogram, ECG, optical heart rate sensor, and body composition sensor, Samsung added a body temperature scanner for recording your stats at night. As for the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, it has a titanium case and a stronger sapphire glass over the display. It also sneaks in a significantly larger battery, with Samsung's promising up to 20 hours of battery life in GPS mode, plus a new charging cable that can juice the watch up from 0 to 45% in just 30 minutes. It also comes with Samsung's D-buckle band as a standard. What shoppers will notice right off the bat is the absence of a physical bezel. For better or worse, the series drops this popular feature. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro comes in just 145mm case size and 2 color options, grey titanium and black titanium. The new straps also only come in 2 colors, black and grey. The Galaxy Watch 5 series goes on general sale starting August 26 if you are still in the pre-order window. Likewise, if you trade in older eligible Samsung wearables, you can take up to $125 off the cost of your new watch. The Bluetooth-only models are available to buy direct from Samsung as well as major retailers like Amazon, Best Buy, and more. The pricier LTE-compatible watch variants are sold by major carriers in the US such as Verizon, T-Mobile, and AT&T. Arguably, the biggest upgrade Samsung brings to the table with the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is a bigger battery. The flagship model features a 590 mAh cell, which Samsung claims will translate to 80 hours of regular use or 20 hours with continuous GPS uses. As well as battery life varies based on device use and enabled features, and unsurprisingly, I was not able to hit those benchmarks, but Samsung has made some progress on battery endurance with the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Instead, the watch lasted about 2 full days, including 2 nights of sleep tracking, 2 GPS workouts, 2 indoor workouts, and plenty of putzing around menus and apps for this review. I started with the watch at 100% around 8 PM and had to top off 2 evenings later to track my third sleep. I also kept the always on display enabled. Disabling the always on display is an easy way to stretch battery life further if needed. Another major drain is GPS. I found that outdoor runs for just under an hour consistently drained about 10% of my battery. Longer walks and rides ate up even more. On days I took long hikes to test out the navigation features, the larger battery was a welcome improvement. but it wouldn't hold up for a multi-day trek. The extended life is certainly commendable improvement over last year's Watch 4 Classic. Sadly, while the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro enjoys longer battery life from generation to generation, early reports suggest the base Galaxy Watch 5 does not fare as well. Though that's not unexpected considering it has a much smaller 276 mAh cell as standard. For an everyday smartwatch, the added battery life on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is a step in the right direction, even if there's clearly more work to be done with battery optimization within Wear OS compared to devices from Fitbit and Garmin. Thankfully, Samsung didn't stop here, as the entirely Galaxy Watch 5 series also now charges faster 10W wireless charging up from a maximum of 5W on the Galaxy Watch 4. According to the company, it will charge from 0 to 45% in 30 minutes. I tested this claim and it works.